Alright, you guys, so I'm just giving you guys an update on my starter locks. It's been a little over a month. Um, my starter locks were installed on December 10th. It's now January 16th, my birthday. Um, I waited a month, like exactly a month to wash my hair. So the first time I washed my hair was January 10th. I knew that if I waited a month, nothing would unravel. I have 4C, 4B type hair. Now that I've washed it for the first time, I'm pretty much washing it like 2 or 3 times a week because that's how often I work out. So all I do, just fluff it out, whatever. I get some castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil, don't matter what brand. I use I think it's the something with a lime in it. I'll show you later on. Massage it in real good, boom, 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 like that. Then you're gonna get some more, squeeze it into your hand, and then you're gonna rub it on the actual hair, not just the scalp, but the actual hair. Just gonna have your hair smelling good, okay? Just do that all over your head. I'm showing you each side, left side, right side, and in the back. Make sure you get it in there real good, real good. Pretty much about 3 or 4 products that I use. I just use, this is not shampoo, it's conditioner, but I don't really use conditioner anymore. Just been doing research about locks, and apparently you're not supposed to use conditioner because you don't want to soften locks if you want your hair to lock. Soften locks, not gonna help that. But these Aussies 7-in-1 shampoo. It really don't matter which one you get, I just use Aussies because Aussies is fucking awesome. So basically, I just, whenever I wash my hair or whenever I wet my hair, um, I go right after and put in castor oil. I like the, I like my, I want my locks to be thick, so I heard that castor oil helps with thickness. I pretty much already had thick hair, but whatever. I don't know if this really works, but I think it works. But it could just be that this is just the way my hair is. My hair might have turned out like this without me using this, but I've consistently used this. I bought this little container from Beauty Masters. I think that's only a Georgia thing. I've only seen them in Georgia. Um, and I just pour the castor oil here, and I take the drops and I just apply them to my hair. I also bought this from Beauty Masters as well. Just a spray bottle. Days that I don't wash my hair, I usually just spray my hair with water and do the same thing, put castor oil in it. Now, if I go to, like, now I just let my hair air dry. It's still not fully dry, but this is going to be how I leave it. But some days I spray my hair with water. I usually just put it in a ponytail, so just take one of these. And this also helps to stretch your locks too. Like, so if you experience shrinkage or anything like that, and you don't want the shrinkage, I really don't care about it. Um, I just put it in a ponytail, like so. Or if there's like a certain way that you want your hair to lay, I spritz it with water, and then I just like choose like, okay, so I have like a, when I first got these installed, my beautician, she put a natural part right there. So if I want that to lay like that, I would go ahead and put it this way, slick my hair into a ponytail. Well, not slick it, but I'll put it into a ponytail. I guess I'm gonna show y'all. For the bang part, it's not really that long. It's really hard to. Thank you. The bang part, I just take it like this to the side, and then grab a bobby pin or two. It's usually two. And then I take my handy dandy scarf. And then I just let this stay on my head for like, I don't know how long. If I'm going to bed, I just let it stay like that overnight. Um, if I do this during the day, I get what I need done, like while I'm getting dressed. I try to do this before I get on my clothes and before I lotion up anything, so that way I have time, rub up on my body, get moisturized and all that good stuff. Brush my teeth, blah blah blah. While I'm doing all that, it's getting dried up. Honestly, I really like putting two on there so it can soak up that excess. This one the dreadlock things. I don't know. It's not a do-rag, but yeah, it's one of those. I use one of these too. You don't have to. But this is what I do, especially at night. I always have to sleep with two things on because some getting slid off in the middle of the night. It's guaranteed to happen. So yeah, go ahead and get your extra one. Yeah, just do what you gotta do while you get ready. And once you get ready, you just go ahead and take it off. So yeah, that's that. So I'm gonna show y'all what this look like. I guess even though I really didn't want my hair to be parted like that, I really wanted it. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what this look like. Okay, so I only left this scarf on my hair for like 10 minutes because I had stuff to do. So it might not look exactly the way it normally look when I do this process, but y'all gonna get the gist of what it is that I'm doing here, okay? Basically, we're just getting our hair to lay a certain way. So this is the process that you do. You lay it down the same way you do as a loose natural. You lay your hair down, fluff it out, boom, there we go, sis. There we go. You cute.